Good morning, students. I welcome to all of you in 11th standard. So, I will teach you chemistry subject to you. We know this chemistry subject is divided into mainly three branches of chemistry, that is physical chemistry, inorganic chemistry, and organic chemistry. The meaning is 11th and 12th standard syllabus of chemistry is divided into three branches of chemistry, that is physical chemistry consists of different laws, principles, on the basis of that applications. So this portion is included in the physical chemistry part. The second part of chemistry subject is inorganic chemistry. This inorganic chemistry mainly consists of the study of this periodic table that you had already studied in 10th standard. We know outline of long form of the periodic table, and periodic table consists of 118 elements. They are divided into periodic table into 18 groups and 7 periods, and they are placed in S block, P block, D block, and F block. All these study related to branch of chemistry that is called as inorganic chemistry. And the third part of chemistry that we will study in 11th and 12th standard, that is organic chemistry. This organic chemistry is important branch of chemistry and which deals with the study of carbon and carbon containing compounds. So today we will start with this organic chemistry part, that is chapter number 14 given in our textbook, that is basic principles of organic chemistry. This organic chemistry, I had told you that it is based on chemistry of carbon and carbon containing compound. So the first point given here, can you recall the first question given here is which is the essential element in all organic compounds? I had explained to you now this organic chemistry is mainly based on the study of carbon compounds, carbon and its compound. So essential element of the organic compounds is carbon. So the carbon is most important element and which is present in all organic compounds. So carbon is the essential element in all organic compound. This is answer for question number 1 given in this chapter. The second question given in the box is what is the unique property of carbon that makes organic chemistry a separate branch of chemistry? We know carbon has a unique property to form a straight chain compounds by bonding with many carbon atoms. So long straight chain compounds can be formed. Similarly, this carbon can form a branched chain compounds, and this is the unique property of carbon that makes the organic chemistry a separate branch of chemistry. That is the answer for question number 2 asked in this chapter in the first box. Then which classes of organic compounds are often used in our daily diet? So which type of organic compounds we will use? I think you know answer for this question very well. We know food materials like carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, all these are the organic compounds and we all are using in our daily diet. Again, I will repeat the answer for this question. Which classes of organic compounds are often used in our daily diet? So organic compounds, these are carbohydrates, then proteins, fats, enzymes, and vitamins. These are used in our daily diet. So that is the answer for question number 3. Now, in the introduction part, what is given that this carbon is the important element. We know there are 118 elements in the periodic table. Out of that, carbon has the main importance in the organic chemistry. So this organic chemistry, that is the basis for the many organic compounds like hydrocarbons. These hydrocarbons you had already studied in 10th standard as alkane, alkyne, and aromatic compounds. The organic compounds which contain carbon and hydrogen elements are called these hydrocarbons. Then many industries like pharmaceutical industry, that is manufacture of medicines, all these medicines, they are again organic compounds, and therefore it is very important and interesting to study carbon and its compounds, their manufacturing processes, their functions, and that is very important in our life. So it is given that find the structure of glucose, vanillin, camphor, paracetamol using internet. So this structure of glucose is given in 12th standard syllabus, that is in biomolecules chapter. Then structure of camphor, paracetamol, that is you can search on the internet, and all these compounds contain the carbon. Assign the hybridization state of carbon. So what is this hybridization? Hybridization means when elements combine with each other, they forms the molecule. During formation of molecule, for example, if you consider carbon, when these carbon elements and the hydrogen elements combine with each other, then if there is a carbon-carbon single bond, then the type of hybridization is sp3. If there is a carbon-carbon double bond, then the type of hybridization is sp2. And if there is a carbon-carbon triple bond, then the type of hybridization is sp hybridization. So we know atomic orbitals are s, p, d, and f atomic orbitals that we will study in the chapter structure of atom. And these atomic structure, which consist of at the center nucleus, it is surrounded by different orbits, and in these orbits suborbitals are there. These are called as a subshell, and these are s, p, d, f. if they combine in the proportion, for example, 1s and 3p gives sp3 hybridization. If 1s and 2p called as a sp2 hybridization. So during formation of molecules, these atoms of an element combine with each other and forms molecules, and these molecules have a particular type of hybridization. And this hybridization in detail that we will study in the chapter Nature of Chemical Bond. Now, next point given here is identify sigma and pi bonds in these molecules. So, if there is a single bond, then it is a sigma bond. And out of double bond, there is a one sigma and one pi bond is there. Very simple trick to find sigma and pi bonds is that if there is a single bond, then it is always sigma bond. If there is a double bond, then first bond is a sigma, second bond is a pi bond. And if there is a triple bond, then first bond is a sigma bond, second bond is a pi bond, third bond is again pi bond. So on the basis of this, we can easily identify the types of bonds present in these molecules. And that is the introduction for this chapter, basic principles of organic chemistry. Thank you.